Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between the original cartridge and the refill cartridge. I just want to highlight some major differences between these two sets of cartridges. These are the original cartridge. This one is generally black in color, and then what happens is that this is the original cartridge. Look at the original cartridge. This one. This cartridge retains more ink than the refill. It retains more ink than the refill. It's also more durable than the refill because of the way it is designed. Look at the way they latch this sensor. It's different from the way this one is attached. This one can easily fall off. This sensor can easily fall off, whereas this one is very firm. Another point is that this one contains original ink. That's better ink. The ink that comes with this cartridge is better in quality than the refill. If you are printing ID card, for instance, or you are printing on CD, if you are printing a CD graphics or ID card, you may not really notice it. But when you are printing pictures, that's where the difference is very clear. Because in pictures, every detail counts. That way you see the difference between the ink that comes with this one and the refill. But if you are into ID card printing and CDs and general graphics, you may not really notice the difference, but the difference is still there. So if you are not into photography, you don't need to worry too much. But this one here, this refill cartridge, one of the advantages of this cartridge is that it is transparent, so you can easily see the ink level. You can see the ink level, and it is very easy to refill. For instance, all you need is just to open this rubber seal, and then you pour your ink here, and then you cover it back. The same thing goes for these ones. You just remove this stopper. Remove the stopper, fill the ink, and then put it back. Another thing is, when you refill this cartridge and you put it back in the printer, it shows that it shows like a new cartridge. Whereas this one's, once the ink goes down and you refill it, it will be showing you that it will still be showing you ink low. Why is it like this? Because the manufacturers of this cartridge expect you to discard it. Once the ink is finished, you have to discard it and get a new cartridge. That's why it always shows low ink, even when you have refilled it. So if you want to refill it, look at this one. Look at the barcode. In this barcode area, this is where you open. You use a sharp object to scrape up this thing. You see a tiny ball here. Then you use a sharp, strong object to pierce the ball and pull it out. You can follow my tutorial on how to refill this kind of cartridge. I'm going to put the link in this video so that you see how to refill this kind of cartridge. But basically, these are the difference between the original cartridge and the refill cartridge. This one is more durable, it retains more ink, and contains better ink in terms of quality, while this one is very easy to maintain, easy to refill, and it shows you the level of ink. And also, when you refill and insert it back to the printer, it shows as a new cartridge, whereas this other one will still be showing you ink level low. If you have any other question, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. Bye.